This is the ruins of the Ashford Mill. I think it said that ore was hauled here to be processed. Wonder if that's a mine over there. Okay. Cement ruins, check. It's starting to warm up. It's chilly, but you can feel the sun doing its thing. Okay, that's not the mine, I don't think. I don't know what that was. They said, the sign said something about the ore was carted down the mountain, so I wonder if it's that back there. Or that. Hard to say. Look at that mountain though, jeez. I know it looks all smushed with the GoPro, but wow, that's something else. Let me put it in standard view just for a comparison. Okay, test number 1. This is in wide mode, which I think is standard. Now let's go to super wide. That's super view, which is what I use because you can get the widest angle on the road. But my guess is the mountain looked more impressive in wide than super view. Is that true or not? I don't really care, but there you go. Anyway, that's impressive, let me tell you, in person. Looks like there's little trails that go up there. I've got some improvements MOTO could make. Or I've got some things I would do if I own this motorcycle. Because the way the Nomax bag is built makes it very difficult to turn the key. And turning the key is one of my favorite things on this bike because the next thing you get to do is this. Oh yeah. That little pull to the right, why is that cool? Had some camera problems. One of the clip broke on the helmet mount. Luckily I had a spare. I was just gonna gonna say, I hadn't seen one car yet once I got on 178, but one truck just went by. It is feeling pretty desolate out here. The wind is kicked up. Chilly, but not bad. It's got to be better than the summer. Where'd all these people come from? You could see them walking like all down into the middle of the basin there. Let's see what this is all about. Poison is just salty. If you look up there, this cliff, there's a little sign, and that's sea level. Wild. Alright, my guess is I'm gonna be hitting a lot of traffic now, because there was nothing the other way, but I think moving on, all these people must have come from that way. So, there you go. Pretty cool, man. So that was Badwater. And there's this road called Artist Palette or something like that. Artist something. That's up here somewhere. I'm gonna check that out. It's supposed to be really pretty. Man, are you kidding me with this place? Whoa. Holy cow. This road is sick. It's totally and completely sick. Unbelievable. The colors. It's like all these pastel purples and greens back there. Amazing. Amazing. Feeling pretty lucky to get to be here. Sick. What a sick place. All right, let's go. Ooh. Whoa. I'm gonna have to make a run for it. Here we go. Oh. It's about 5 miles to Furnace Creek. I'm gonna gas up, and I think from there I'm gonna go up to Rhyolite, something. What a place, man! What a place. There's this guy. He's got a YouTube channel. Future Ange will put a link in the description. But I love his channel. He bought I think it was an old silver mine, and it was like an old silver mining town that at one time was like super busy, lots of people. And I don't know where it is exactly, but it's like up one of these valleys here. And he bought it, and basically the channel is about him exploring the property, and he's trying to build a hotel. I don't think there's any electricity out there. There's no water, I don't think. I mean, he's got to deal with all that stuff, so he's working on it. But it's just fascinating, man, and all the buildings are still there. There's like stuff in the buildings that he you know, finds, and it's just really, really cool. And he explores in the mines, which looks scary, and he also has a dirt bike that he goes exploring with too, and it's just really cool. I forget what the channel's called, I forget what the guy's name is, but yeah, buying an old silver mine town, that sounds good to me. And you know, if he gets that little hotel going, he'll be charging people from LA out the yang to come stay there. I can't remember how he got the money to do this. I think he might have been a tech guy or something, and he cashed out. Anyway, pretty cool. Again, I love humans, man. They're up to some cool shit. I wonder if he'd mind if I just stopped by. I bet he wouldn't. But I have no idea where it is. And this is a pretty vast place. I'm sure I could find it online, but... Well, Furnace Creek's another mile that way, but I just want to know what this is. It's the Inn at Death Valley. I gotta say, this trip, where I knew in advance exactly where I was gonna end up. I mean, it's different because it's not a BDR type trail thing, but still, that's the way to go. Just map it out. I say that, but I know next time I do a BDR type thing, I'm still not gonna do it because you just don't know what's gonna happen. And you don't know how many miles you're going to want to go and all that stuff. But this trip, I think I shot for like 250 miles a day, which on the slab it's not much really, but it's perfect because I felt like I could screw around more, stop and look at stuff more, because I know you know, I know I don't have that far to go. Totally don't need fuel, but I'm going with a new attitude of either AGG or AFU. Always get gas or always fuel up, depending which you like better. I wonder if I could just... No. Oh my God. I don't even have to get it out. Oh, you learn something new every day. I'm definitely not a fan of these California pumps, but...
In the next episode, what amazing things will Past Ange discover? Tune in next week to find out. Hey, please like this video if you liked this video, and if you'd like to see more, hit that subscribe button and the alert bell. Also, if you're interested, there are links to gear lists and goofy t-shirts in the description. Thanks a ton for watching.